Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZC Trades, man. Today I just got some live execution for y'all. I'm not gonna be executing this on a live account or even a prop firm account. I'm gonna be executing this on a demo account. I'm not trading live just yet at this time currently. However, I will be trading this using the easy 5-step strategy that I dropped on my YouTube. So if you ain't seen that, go check it out, man. And yeah, we're just looking for price to come into this inversion fair value gap, maybe to about the equilibrium. We'll see what it does, and we're looking for a reaction off of that. This is actually where I would take the sell. Now we are close to these New York highs. They're actually New York lunch highs, and then we have actual New York highs above this. We have London lows here, and yeah, this right here, what I see is I see a market structure shift down. Now this may be a possible losing trade. This may be a winning trade. I don't care. This is the model that I trade. This is my edge. And when you have your edge, you understand that I'm going to set my stop to about right here. Simply because if it rises above that, it's going up. I'm going to take a easy TP today. This would be my full TP. But yeah, this is an inversion fair value gap. We're just gonna see how it reacts off of it. And yeah. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm loving the rejection that we're getting from this. It just looks like we're only tapping into the bottom inversion fair value gap. I marked up both of them because this right here is a BISI. This right here is a BISI as well. There's two fair value gaps stacked on top of each other. However, we have this fair value gap on this side. Let me just highlight it for y'all. We have this fair value gap right here as well. So I just marked up the whole fair value gap. But it looks like we just reacting off of that bottom one. So, but yeah, even if I was trading live, I wouldn't have gotten my entry. It's okay, bro. It happened. I just want to see my trade play out in the market. I would rather see my trade play out in the market and know that I didn't get in than get in and actually lose. You know what I mean? So let's keep watching. Now, if we get this placement below this low, we're gonna run for sure. Alright, bet. So at this point, I would move my stop to break even. If I was in this trade, I would move my stop to break even. We'll see if we get some displacement below here. Yeah, this low right here is what I'm targeting specifically because we have this fair value gap here. This is displacement. So actually, we're just gonna mark this up. But we're gonna take the easy TP. Now, if we close, let's see where we close at. Pull back. This is an inversion fair value gap. I'm expecting price to come up, touch this, and then we should see some movement towards the downside. Big down candles, buddy. Big body down candles, buddy. Incoming. If it does come back up, we're looking at this area right here. We have a small volume imbalance right in there. At this point, if we were in a live trade, the stock would be at break even. This would be a risk. Actually, I would actually put my stop above this high. If we close above this high, then it's gonna be a losing trade most likely. Look at how these inversion fair value gaps work for us. I'm gonna break that down in a second. We should get a pretty fluid run to at least this low right here. This rebalance into this inversion fair value gap, and then this displacement lower counts as a market structure shift. Why? Because all a market structure shift is a BISI or a SIBI being rebalanced, creating a short-term low or high. That short-term low or high being violated by displacement. Here we have an inversion fair value gap being rebalanced, this short-term low being violated by displacement. Very simple. Now we're in the macro time. We're at 10:50, 10:54 right now. I'm expecting to see this run anywhere in between now and 11:10. We shall be waiting, buddy. I do want to check and see something. We have an order block right here. Now, I use my fib for everything. Look at how price action is respecting the optimal trade entry of this fib. Now, if we violate this low, we're going to run. If we break above these highs, I would just close the position, take my profits and run. If we displace below this, we're running, okay? And this right here is live displacement. If we don't get a pullback, oh yeah, she's running. She's running for sure. At this point, I just know my TP is gonna get hit. I'm just waiting for it. If we see a return into this SIBI, this could be another possible entry. It is a dangerous entry though. Order filled. At this point, I just want my TP to get hit. I just want to get out the market. I don't want to be here. Okay, I want to leave. I want to go outside. Let's go. Let's go. If we disrespect the optimal trade entry of this fair value gap, I will close all trade. That means if the body closes above it, which it kind of did, I ain't gonna lie, it kind of did. No, it didn't. Golly, that's perfect respect. If the body closes above where this body closed, I'm out. I will close both of these trades and just take my profits. This trade would be at, yeah, we would be up, bro. We would be up at least 2%. You know what? Technically, this could be a market structure shift. I don't really like this displacement, but we do have an inversion fair value gap right here. That price could boing go off of. You feel what I'm saying? But here's my thing. We've came so close to taking this low. This is the most probable draw on liquidity. If we displace below these short-term lows, TP smack. Keep it going. Oh, I forgot. We on the 30-second chart. Hold on. Yeah, if we close above this high right here, I'm out. I'm outie 5,000. We close below these lows, it's a wrap. This is ugly. It's ugly as hell, man. It's ugly as hell, boy. What the Nasdaq doing? Based on how the Nasdaq moving, we might move up. We might be moving up. Yep. Based on how the Nasdaq is moving, I will close both of these positions right here, right now. So this one, pretty much break even trade. Don't even count. You would really ideally close like less than half a position. I mean, less than half of 1%. I'm sorry. And these wicks are another telltale sign right here. And this one right here. Yeah, you'll be clearing about 3% for the day without your TP even being hit. So I'm just closing based off of what Nasdaq has done. Nasdaq came down into the 5-minute fair value gap, tapped into the equilibrium of it, and it's rebalancing a SIBI right now. It could possibly displace above it because we got a lot of whipsaw in motion right here. It's a lot of liquidity above these highs. Plus, if you guys are paying attention, I'm sure everybody notices that we've been going straight up on these indices pretty much for the past few months. So, however, with this being said, all of these wicks right here, this is just engineered price action. This is called time distortion. Price will revisit these lows, whether it comes up and taps into this inversion fair value gap or whether it just sinks. Because like I said, as long as the bodies of the candles respect the equilibrium and the OTE of this fair value gap, then you have nothing to worry about. But if, as you can see, we displaced above this. Nasdaq displaced above this high live. You dig what I'm saying? So this would actually be a good buy. I will be looking for a buy. But we done trading for the day. We didn't close. We didn't close above it. We didn't close above it here. Nasdaq did though. Nasdaq sure did close above it. US 30 may take out this low and then go ahead and move up, because once it displaces above this high right here, That's the 5-step trading strategy. It's everywhere. You just have to have a narrative to be able to know which way, which bias that you want to take it in. So I'm just going to wait around and see if TP did get hit. Mind you, we would have closed with 3% today. TP is still in good faith for US 30. NASDAQ, I would be looking to jump in over here. And honestly, if I were to put my stop in a safe spot, I would be putting it right under here. I'm just going for this 1 and 2. Let's see. You know what? I'm just gonna end the video. This video getting super long. I'll put a screenshot at the end of this video and let you guys know if our TP was hit before our adjusted stop would have been hit. Mind you though, if I was live in the market, I would have closed and took my little 3%. You dig what I'm saying? I'm saying little as in I'm belittling 3%. 3% is good gains for the day. So I'm gonna get with y'all on the next one. I'm gonna try to do this about 2-3 times a week. When I do finally cop my challenge, I'll be taking the challenge live, showing the trades that I'm taking on the challenge, giving y'all good faith behind my 5-step strategy. Now there is more steps to the strategy, there is more experience. I'll put it like this: it's not really the car, it's the driver. Okay, so there is experience behind the strategy. Can't give y'all all my sauce in one video. I'm gonna get with y'all on the next one, man. That's all I got. Peace.